Okay, rally fans, back on the Impreza. I've been meaning to change out my wipers, and most recently, as of today, I went out. I was like, I'm tired of this window wiper smears, and finally, these OE wiper blades just came off there. The rubber started rotting because of the heat here in California. It's about 2 seasons in California sun. I'm now going to replace them with a Bosch Icon. This is a 26-inch blade. This, for my rally friends, it's a 28-inch blade. Let's see how that goes. Do you guys remember in the 90s when you can get hypercolor fluorescent windshield wipers? I kind of wanted to do that with this car. But we're going to go for silicone here and here. The blade is 1 inch longer on both sides, but you can see the sweep. It's going to be fine. It's just going to give me more area to wipe away all that meteorite dirt that lands as dust on my car every day. A layer, a layer, a layer.
Country, yeah. That you back there.
So clean. Okay, that's it, friends, from the Subaru Impreza.